Yo, Hafiz, have you heard of the Zinger rice wrap from KFC?
I heard it's a wholesome, balanced meal. Is that true, Ben?
It's hassle-free, easy to eat.
So it must be a convenient on-the-go meal.
Yes, exactly, bro. And the best part is we all know that you're always too busy for your meals, right? So Fly FM will be bringing the wholesome KFC Zinger rice wrap to your office for you and your colleagues. Since people are so busy these days and tend to skip lunch all the time, we want to invade an office this afternoon, so be prepared.
Lunch is very important.
There's this convenient on-the-go meal. It's called the new KFC Zinger rice wrap. It's called the KFC Zinger rice wrap. You can enjoy wholesome meal anytime, anywhere. So I was told that he's got 3 friends at the...
Oh, what?
Right there!
He's here?
Get in here!
I mean, it's so easy to eat it. Only one hand, while the other hand can do your work or whatever lah.
Kareem, hey, guess what? We have KFC for you. This is all yours.
We're gonna invade an office this afternoon. Are you ready?
Of course, anytime for the KFC Chicken Zinger Rice Wrap.
Woohoo!